In this screencast, we're going to be covering how to create a card page. Now understand that the card page is probably going to be the most complex content type, and for that reason I will separate the cards or the subcards within the card page in separate screencasts. So this screencast isn't going to cover everything when creating the card page, just the container card page, and then in separate screencasts we'll be covering how to create those individual cards. So let's get started. I'm logged in, and underneath content, add content, I want to click card page. So let's create a test card page. So we're going to give it a title, and if you want you could add a header image. This is where it becomes a little bit more unique compared to the basic page, because it has the body text separated, where you have a header text and footer text, and the reason is those two text boxes wrap around the cards, and below is where you would actually add the individual cards. So let's add some dummy text to the header and footer. Okay, everything looks good. And of course we need to add it to the menu. So let's add this underneath information, and I'm gonna copy the description. Everything looks good. Now I'm gonna click save. Okay, that's what is required to create a card page. Again, it's one of the more complicated pages when you start adding the actual individual cards, but I want to show you how just the basics of just a card page is done. So if I wanted to click edit, I know for a fact that this is the header and then this is the footer, and I'm going to click edit, and to prove that I'm going to add an existing card and start typing a title of a, okay, there we go, and click add card. Okay, so we have one card in there. Again, I will cover the cards in an individual screencast, but I want to show you a little bit more. So now we have our card. Okay, so we have our demo card in our demo card page, and you can see how the title shows with the header text above the cards and the footer text right below the cards. Now that's it for the basics of creating a card page. Thanks for watching.